All right, so Silpharm experience. Well, I love talking about energy-based devices. As many of my colleagues know, I've been in the field for many, many years and have used all these energy-based devices from inception. So we've had ultrasound-based devices, we've had different radio frequency-based devices. Of course, in the practice, we use a lot of light-driven devices. I have loved microneedling. I have loved microneedling with radio frequency. And of course, I'm a provider, but I'm also a little bit of a patient. And you know, the joke always is that I buy the first machine for myself and then I share it with patients. So I have a perspective not only of a physician, but also somebody that experienced the treatment. Silpharm is great because it is based on great science. It's supported by evidence that's not only clinical, but basic science related, and it does work tremendously well. From a patient's perspective, it is so comfortable. I don't love any discomfort. We use a little bit of numbing for the patient. Sometimes that's not even necessary, and great results. So wonderful science behind the technology, great results, very comfortable experience from a patient's perspective, hardly any downtime. And of course, that's what we look for. I mean, we want to deliver technologies that make a difference, but that are well tolerated and so beneficial. So when we look at the different microneedling RF devices, of course, there are many reasons why we choose a particular technology. And with Silpharm X, the choice was clear because we do use it for increased collagen production. We do use it for lifting that's utilized by our amazing aesthetic providers. So although the assessment is typically done by a provider on the medical side, if you may, the treatment itself is performed by aestheticians and laser technicians. So that makes it much easier for us that we have a great technology that we feel comfortable delegating. That device stays busy all day long because not only we use it for these collagen producing effect and textural improvements, but we use it for melasma control. We use it for a hair growth stimulation. Great choice for that treatment. So almost like 3 different categories of patients, and therefore we know that our Silpharm works all day long. So whenever we choose a device, it's not only about the technology, but it's also about the person that brings the technology to our door. And Stupka Aesthetics has been a big part of my life. We've actually talked to many providers that the men behind Stupka Aesthetics and I, John, met many years ago, and have worked together on different technologies over years. To me, that's very important. That's what differentiates Stupka Aesthetics from everyone else, that the support, the hands-on support, the continuous support, still now months into us owning these devices is there, that we can pick up a phone and call with any questions, and our technicians that perform the treatment feel very supported.